Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we have here Tectonic with 4 stars in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, September the 22nd, 2021. We have one puzzle left in this additional with 6 puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars. Then we have a Tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a Tectonic with 1 star. And I won't do them all, only 3 of them. I've solved 2 of them. The Sudoku with 3 stars and a binary. So now it's time for the 4 stars Tectonic. And this will be a number 334. 334. Alright, so let's get started. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Could be a hard one. Could be an easy one. I think it's a hard one. Alright, so let's get started. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single boxes. I see here the box, single box, there, single box. Single box is always a 1. Alright. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? Yes, we have a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. Yeah. Here, triple box. The 2 is already filled in. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. So those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. And if you see a triple box, the inside box, this box next the middle box, is always 4 or 5. So let me mark those. Can it be a 1? Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Of course. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. See here the quadra box. More quadra boxes? No. Quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we see here 2. So those 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be 2? So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. And next, the following strategy. The next strategy is to recognize some shapes. Some shapes or figures or construction or structure, whatever you name it. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So it should be a 4 or a 5. Okay. So this box is always the same number as that box. Okay. Then, do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here, another one. Rotated. So this box is always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Then the following shape that you need to recognize is this shape. Yeah, this shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. Okay. And those, oh, wait, here we have another one, rotated. This box is the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 2. And those are the figures or shapes or structures or structures or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more, but in this puzzle there are 2 only 2 that you need to recognize. Then the following step is easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be 3. Those two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 or 5. Let me mark those. Okay. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 4. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those again. 4 and a 5. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5 again. Alright. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. Again, the 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Okay, a lot of 4 and a 5s are left. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I fill a 5 in one of those two boxes, I cannot place any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Then. How about these 3 boxes surround the 1? Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 1 over there. So this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 1. These three boxes surround the one, can be a one. So one box left for the one, should be there. Overlooked. Now we have a one here, so this box can be one anymore. That box should be a one, and this box should be a three. Now we have a one there, so this box can be one anymore. That box should be a one, and this box should be a three. Okay. This box can be a three. That box can be a three. So one box left for the three. Should be there. Two numbers left. Again, the 4 and the 5. Alright, 4 and a 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Now I have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright. 4 and a 5. But we have already a 5 in this area, so it should be a 4 in this box. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 4, yes. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then those two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2, should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, definitely. Could be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And the final two numbers of this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No, it's a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. Alright. Because for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, 30 minutes. I'm real pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer Sudoku, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles I have. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.